Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for lost and found item finder MERN web application. So first open the MongoDB. Then click on the connect. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the SRC folder. Then you can see the backend folder. It's our node modules. Then go to the client. Click on the SRC file. Here you can see the components. It's our React.js components files. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the how to open the web application in step-by-step procedure, and then you can see the login details. Next start the backend and client server. So open the terminal. Click on the new terminal. First copy the CD backend and paste to the terminal. Next install the node modules. So copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. I have already installed, so I go to the next step. Copy the npm start, paste to the terminal. Now backend server is connected. Next open the client terminal. Click on the plus. And then copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. Then copy the npm run dev, paste to the terminal. Now client server also connected. Here you can see the web browser URL link. Copy to paste the browser. This is the lost and found item finder web application. It's our two roles, user and admin. First go to the user role. We have to sign up. Go to the register now. Here you will register your user ID. Enter your name, email ID, then password. Then enter the 10 digit of mobile number and city. Then click on the sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now click on the sign up. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the user home page. Now log in into the user home page. User will be post the lost and found item informations, and then you can search to see over lost and found item. Then you will give the request and send the claim request. First go to the post lost and found items. Here you can add the item informations. So choose the file. Then enter your name. Then select the type. Next you will enter the category. Then give the description. Then select the found date. Then give your address. Now click on the submit. Create successfully. Next you can see over found and lost items information, and then you can update and delete the information from this page. First go to the edit image. Here you will update the found items information. Now image is updated successfully. Next click on the edit. If you want to edit the info, update the information. Then click on the geo map. Now you can update the location. Next go to the show map. Here you can see your location on this page. Then update your lost and found items. Admin will be give the approval on the items informations. Then you will go to the search all items. Here you can search to see your lost and found items. You can found your lost items. Then you will see the approval status. Next you can give the request on this page. Click on the request and then enter your name and evidence. Enter your mobile number. Then choose the file. Then request will be sent successfully. After you send your request, here you can see your request on this page. And then you can see your request status. Status will be pending. Next go to the other claim request. Here you can see the other claim request on this page, and then you can found the items. You will update the status. Click on the update status and then update and submit the status. Your updated status will be see the other user. Example, log into the other user. Go to the my claim request. Here lost item owner will be see our request status on this page, and then go to the show map. Here you will be see our item received person locations. Then you will claim your items. Next go to the view feedback. Here you can see the other feedbacks on this page. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. Next we will move for the admin login. Enter the email ID and password. Now log in admin homepage. It's our two roles. First go to the view lost and found items approval. Admin will be see the all post on this page, and then see verify to give the approval on this page. See the post and click on the update status. Here you will give the approval on this post. Next go to the show map. Here you can see the user location. Then go to the user details. Here you can see the all user registration information. That's the whole lost and found item finder MERN web application.
Code shopping.